Uy, makaguba ta ba? Makabayan. Flat na yung ligi. Abi, kaano siya tanong? Noodles. Lami lang sauce eh. Kanan to. Nagpaspas na yata ko mabusog doon. Pansin na ako. Ba't yun nag-spread? Baka magyayay tami nyo ha. Kamining kani o. Kaning sabat cucumber. Lasaw. Pero healthy man siya rin. Kani lamig din yun o. Kumana nga po. Kani nahadlok pang guguba kay watermelon, pineapple, banana. Dapat maghimo ka ni doon sa kuha ko. Yan eh. Ako ang videohan ang ilang broccoli, lettuce, pineapple, honey, tomato, corn, saan siya doon? Watermelon, apple, banana, pineapple. Wow! Kabalas itong. Apil siya pag-iwan. Ang ako ang ginom ba? Sa choco. Kanila. Kanila lang ako nako. Unang murag labanan lang ko. Karon kay ulat na. Mustang birthday boy. Busog na. Tawag mo na iubos kung ayaw mo. Excited na mo mag-safari. Nakakita rin mag-albino na tiger. Sila, white tiger. You want to go to... you want to try the ride? Okay, sama mo kuya Sam. Meron na yung ano, mag-open kayo ha?
Pasok na kayo?
Sam, samahan mo si Kobe. Punta na siya sa room. We're going, Abby, where? You say, we're going down.
We're going to car.
Say, we're going down.
We're going down.
Say, we're going down. Ikaw talaga. Let's go. Abby. Look, a nice yung giant chest. That's so cool.
Yeah. Wow.
Naabatay ka tong marag siya ang mag-drive tapos sakay. Ang duha. Sige daw. Wala ka tong onsa? Oo, katong naagan sa likod, oh.
Isa ra ka mo na isip din, sa akong area, ma'am, kay ari marag maori na.
Kita mo ko to kagahapon.
Kahapon? Ako sa
sige daw.
Yung mean, ma'am, katong
Kato nagay magtindog human.
Sa like jazz. Dapit sa Pururu.
Ah, sige. Salamat kayo ha. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. One person will drive and then the other would be...
Scootering?
Yeah. Once in the scooter will control it.
Yeah.
So it's just gonna be like pretend driving. Dito lang tayo.
Here the Avalon, right?
Yeah. The same. We're still gonna pass by the playground.
Ayun na. Let's drive that one.
Ha?
Ayun na.
Ano?
I'll drive that one.
Crazy. Hindi yan for driving. Dito na lang muna kayo sa playground. While we look for it. Hindi ko alam saan. Playground na lang muna kayo. Yay! Abby slide! Abby slide! Oh. Ano kung mamo? Abby! Go! Jump! Wow! 1, 2, 3, jump! Yay! Kobe, mas matagal.
We have to sign a waiver. So if we have like an injury, we have we liable. And then if we accidentally break,
Diba?
that's why I wanted the car.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Abby, wait lang. Ah, din na.
Should have just went here, ma. I mean, that was the brakes.
Wow.
Not allowed inside of
Slow lang, Cobs.
30 minutes.
Slow lang. Sige, be careful.
Wow.
Careful, Cobs, kaya hindi kami makahabol. Wait mo kami, kaya hindi kami makahabol. Ha?
So slow.
Wait lang.
Wala, bugat!
Uy, makaguba to ba? Makabayan.
Tsaka punta to the moon.
Makabayan to sa inyo. Uy, bawal dyan na yung ginahimo ba? Makasabaan ta. Lin, na-flat na. Heavy kayo. Uy.
Uy, nakulangan, naghangin ang ligid doon.
Flat na yung ligi.
Lahat na doon.
Oh no.
Actually, thank you, maglabas ka na.
Wait for me. U-turn, Kobe. Balik tayo. Morning. Where are we gonna go?
You know the slides? You gotta go there. Oh, it's so far.
Huwag ka far, oy, kaya hindi ko kaya. Kobe! Hindi ko kaya mag-record.
I'll record.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Di ba pilit natin?
Oh, I think magdikit pala to.
maxed on like an open area doon.
Hindi siya nag-500. Cute kaya. Cute kaya ang twins. Lamig sila videohan. Cute sila sa real life. Super cute. Are you on your last round? We're gonna go to our next destination.
What are we gonna eat?
Safari.
What are we gonna eat now?
Ha?
What are we gonna eat? Kaya ba like ice cream and this ano?
Baba na ta kayo mag-check out pa. Papas na siya.
Why second floor? Ay, second floor?
Huwag ka na masyadong mag-eat. Baka magyayay tami mo 2 hours yung travel. Doon ka na mag-eat sa kung saan tayo papunta.
Lipat na naman tayo na
Kaya join your hotspot.
Kaya ilaw-ilaw ka noon dire.
Kaya join your hotspot on the van lang.
Hey, Daddy.
Slide doon. You know the very big slide? I ride all of them.
How was it?
The orange one, I almost drowned and I almost like, ano, I could have died.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I never went there.
Scared?
Oh no!
But I went to the green one. If like 4 seconds, it will be dark and then you're gonna go to the bottom so fast.
And you were complaining na small yung slide nila.
I thought it was small, but then the white one was the smallest. It was like boring. Bro, on the green, I didn't even scream because it's not scary. But on the orange, yeah. Like when you go down the orange, it's almost like you're gonna slip already. It's going too fast. It's like 2 times the speed of the roller coaster. Imagine that. 2 times speed of the roller coaster.
Did you love it?
Yeah. No. Cause
No?
No, cause I'm not gonna do that.
Pero yung slide sa Paroro, was it fun?
Yeah, yeah. It's so big. I could play basketball there. By the way, you did ba you saw the river? That's the Amazon River.
Nah.
No, I read it there. I read it.
Maybe they call it Amazon River or something.
No, it's actually the Amazon
Wait lang.
River.
Check out po kami, 661. Kisa man ang mag-picture. Kisa mag-picture. Ah. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel, Travel with Miyaka, and click on the notification bell to be notified with our latest video. Thank you so much!